While I was asleep, my bot took 3 trades, closed 2 in profit, and didn't miss a single entry. No drama, no slippage, just clean execution. Finally. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Ultima Markets and how you can utilize it to essentially make more profits this bull cycle in the cryptocurrency markets. For any of the links for today's video, and after doing your own research, of course, because these videos are not financial advice, you will find the links at the top of the video description as well as in the pinned comments. All right, folks, so we are on the official website logged in right now for Ultima Markets. And I think the main thing that I really do love about Ultima Markets is alongside it's easy to navigate, clean user interface, folks, they essentially run on full automation. So there's basically zero night watch. So I can basically get this set up and get this making money for me when I sleep, when I'm not actually at the computer, okay? So you can essentially run an EA that trades and has those breakouts overnight. With most brokers, guys, you'd essentially be waking up to things like lag, missed orders, or worse, something like a platform crash as well. But essentially, you don't need to worry about this when you are using Ultima Markets. Now, with Ultima Markets, you essentially integrate a VPS, which is a virtual private server, with low latency to get a strategy that actually works. So essentially, Ultima actually offers a free VPS. So even when your PC's off, the trading system actually stays active. So that essential combination with low latency execution, guys, it essentially means that your bot reacts in real time. So not even 2 candles late. And the spreads are tight enough, folks, that your strategy isn't eating profit on every single entry. So it essentially is making your bot trading just far more effective for those buys and sells. And folks, it's also engineered for algo traders as well, not just manual clickers. Okay, folks, so both with MT4 and MT5, they're both going to be supported. So whatever your EA is built for, okay, it's essentially going to fit. The execution speed and the uptime give a lot of confidence for me that essentially it's going to leave the trades running even when the markets are super volatile like right now. Okay, there's a lot of different signals here, strong sell, that could easily go into buys very, very quickly. So you want something that's just data driven and analytical. Okay, so the execution speed and the uptime give you that confidence to keep those trades running. Okay, and it's essentially one of the few brokers that actually feels like it was built for algo traders in mind. And the stability is actually backed by regulation, which for me is the most important thing, okay? So Ultima's licensed by the multi-regulated, okay? So I don't worry about shady execution or any bonus terms or anything like that. And with negative balance protection, even aggressive bots, they all have a safety net, guys, okay? And just as a little bonus tip as well, you can still claim their 50% plus 20% credit bonus. So this is ideal if you want to give your strategy more breathing room, okay? So just know it's credit only, not withdrawable. So folks, if you've got an EA or a bot that you actually trust, give it the infrastructure that it really deserves. Ultima's free VPS and fast execution let your strategy do its thing even while you sleep, folks. It works well with things like scalping bots, breakout systems, grid strategies. No freeze or disconnects even during major news or releases, and that bonus credit is meant for margin, not cash out bait, okay? Multiple funding options as well as fast withdrawals too. So folks, if you do want to get signed up here with Ultima Markets, I'd suggest you do a bit of your own research first. And if you trust it enough to give it a crack, guys, it's pretty interesting software here, then go ahead and click on the link at the top of the video description and also in the pinned comments. So wherever you're watching from, have a great one. And if you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, comment, and hit notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos of some hot crypto projects coming out in this bull cycle. Take it easy.